ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we have to use have. Next one, she do the work daily. This is wrong. The correct sentence is she does the work daily, because we use does with he, she, it. This is what simple present tense. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು does helping verb ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next one, I didn't knew that. This is wrong sentence. The correct sentence is I didn't know that, because we should not use double past tense. Did is already past tense, so verb should be base form or verb 1. Next one, he is very hurry. This is wrong sentence. He is in a hurry is correct, because hurry is a noun. We should use in a hurry. He is in a hurry. He is very hurry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾ ಅವಸರ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾ ಅವಸರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ he is in a hurry ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, he said me the truth. This is wrong. The correct sentence is he told me the truth, because say and tell are used differently. Already I have made a short video on difference between say, tell and speak. You can watch that short video to know more. Next one, my brother is very tall than me. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is my brother is taller than me, because we have to use comparative taller, not very tall. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ we have to use taller, not very tall. Next one, I have seen him yesterday. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I saw him yesterday, because yesterday already shows past tense, so we should use past verb saw. Friends, before continuing the video, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Next one, he is listening music. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is he is listening to music, because listen always needs to. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಟು ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, he went by foot. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is he went on foot. We should not use preposition by here. We should use the preposition on foot. Next one, I can able to do it. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is I can do it, because can already shows ability, so we need not use able to. So I can do it is enough. Next one, he returned back yesterday. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is he returned yesterday, because returned already includes back. Returned ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ there is no need of using back. Next one, he is senior than me. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is he is senior to me. We have to use to with junior, senior, superior, like junior to me, senior to him, superior to us, like that. We have to use to with these words. Next one, I am going for shopping. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is I am going shopping. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am going shopping is enough. Next one, my hairs are long. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is my hair is long, because hair is uncountable noun in English. ಹೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಣಿಸಲಾಗದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೌನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we should not use the helping verb are. So the correct answer is my hair is long. Come to last one, he is my cousin brother. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is he is my cousin. Cousin is enough in English. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಸಿನ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Friends, I hope you will correct these mistakes if you make. I hope this video helps you to correct these mistakes if you make. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.